The Yealink T46U is an affordable, powerful, and easy-to-use office desk phone that makes your staff and your budget happy. Let's take a closer look. To begin, let's look at the physical buttons on the bottom of the phone. On the left side is the keypad, followed by the navigational buttons, which can be used to scroll through the options in the display. The volume button allows you to adjust the ringer when the phone is not in use, as well as adjust the volume when in a call. If you are using a headset with your Yealink desk phone, make sure that the headset button is illuminated in green to activate audio through the headset. The mute button allows you to continue to hear the other party while ensuring that they do not hear you. The hold button puts your caller in a waiting room as they listen to hold music. So if you need to step away from the call for a moment, don't leave the customer in silence, press hold. Keep in mind that this hold button only puts the call on hold for your extension. Others within your office will not be able to retrieve the call. That feature will be demonstrated later. Below this, you have redial, transfer, and your speakerphone buttons. Now, let's look at the main display. The buttons to the left and right are programmable speed dial buttons. These buttons can be custom programmed by our support department to fit your needs. In this video, we will look at a common configuration. The first two buttons on the left are line keys. These keys allow you to toggle between two lines on your phone. These keys represent only the calls that you will personally be on. Your office is not limited to two line keys, so if you need more, please contact our support department at 530 One Stop. When you are in a call and a second call begins ringing on your phone, simply press the ringing line key to answer the new call. This will automatically place the original call on hold. To continue with the original call, press the line key that holds that caller, and the second caller will be placed on hold. When finished, press End Call to hang up, then press Resume to retrieve the caller still on hold. The next two keys are Park 1 and Park 2. Call Park is the method that allows a call to be placed on standby and for others within your office to have the option to retrieve the call. While in a call, press any Park key to place the call in standby. You can see that the call now disappears from your main display. All phones programmed with that Park key will illuminate red. To retrieve the call from this phone or any other phone in the office, press the red Park key and the call will become active on that phone. If your office needs more Park keys, please contact our support department. Next are speed dial keys for those within your office. These are generally programmed at the time of onboarding. This button shows when colleagues are busy on the phone. When they are not in an active call, the key will appear green. This phone model includes up to 3 pages of speed dial function keys on the display. If you have more than 10 speed dial keys configured, the bottom right of the screen will show a 1, 2, or 3 button. Press this function key to turn to the next page of speed dial buttons. While in an active call, the soft keys at the bottom of the display change to give you more control over the call. To transfer the call, press Transfer and the speed dial of the person you'd like the call to go to, or dial the extension manually. You can also transfer to external numbers, such as a cell phone, by dialing the number directly. When performing a transfer, the default type of transfer is attended. This means that you will be able to speak to the person you are transferring the call to and confirm that they are available to take the call before transferring the call. If they're unable to take the call, choose End Call to cancel the transfer and return to the original caller. To complete the transfer, choose Transfer Again or simply hang up the handset. The caller will automatically be connected to the other party. While on a call, you can put the call on hold for your extension only and can be retrieved by pressing Resume. Again, this is not to be confused with Call Park as previously discussed. Conference allows you to perform a conference call with up to 10 different parties. This is a great way to include others in your call quickly, as needed. And if you'd like to remove someone from the conference call, you can do so as well. When you are not in a call, the soft keys on the bottom of the display allow you to see your call history and navigate through all your missed, placed, and received calls. You can view a company directory by accessing your remote phone book. Additional contacts in the directory can be added via the PBX portal. DND stands for Do Not Disturb. When this option is enabled, an international stop sign will show, and callers will not be able to contact you. In the PBX, you can choose whether to send calls to voicemail or another extension when DND is enabled. If your phone is not ringing, this is one of the first things that we recommend checking. If you have any questions on how to use your Yealink phone or would like additional training, please contact our support department at 530 One Stop. As always, thank you for working with us to make this easy. And thanks for watching.